Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of how to make your left-right scratch game. So last time we made the food collection system and the player movement. Also the hitbox. You see all this? There, we got it all done. I know last video's audio was terrible. I was using my headphones and I'm also using a different recording service. Now, we're going to make the bad food. Right now he only collects the good food. Now we're going to make the bad food. So, we're going to paint a new costume, and we're going to make how about a worm? Let's make a worm. Now we're going to grab this, make it pink. We need to make this pink. All right. It needs to be like a light pink. There we go. Saturation? Nah. A light pink. What if I just fill this? No, okay. There we go. That's a nice worm. Now we're going to delete that and make the worm wiggly. Okay, so you're gonna bend it like this with this tool that I got. There we go, we got a worm. Now we're gonna put it here and see how big it is compared to the apple. It's not thick enough. We need to make it thicker. So click on it and then press the little arrow buttons right next to size and it will make it thicker. Okay, there we go, the worm. Now we're going to make it so it switches in between. So when I start as clone, duplicate that, and then forever. Wait, when I start as clone, no, not forever. Sorry, not forever. Set costume to. Switch costume to. Randomly. Pick a random from 1. 1, 2, 2. There. Now when we start, it randomly picks. You can still collect the worms. And then there we go. Now I need to make it so when the worms hit the player, it makes them, turn a little red, or like make them phase a little bit. So we're going to make a thing where when clicked, forever, if touching, so if touching food, so food, then broadcast, yeah, here we go, the broadcast, damage effect. There we go, damage effect. We got damage effect all done. So now we're gonna set that. Now when we're gonna do forever, we're gonna do when I receive damage effect, forever, and then set ghost to 0. So when it does that, and then change by 10. Change ghost effect by 10. Ghost effect by how about 40? There we go. And then set it back to 0 when it's no. When I receive damage effect. Sorry, no forever. You gotta get rid of that forever. I'm sorry. My brain's not working today. Wait. Wait. Wait 1 second. And go back to 0. So, if food 13. Wait, that wouldn't. Would that work? Yeah, it's not doing anything. You gotta wait like 1 second. Takes forever though. It didn't work. Nah. Let's see what's wrong. Yeah, I get it now. Here we go. Ghost. I'm gonna change that to ghost. That's weird. Podcast ghost effect. When I receive damage effect. Yeah, it's not doing anything. That's not. Well, I guess we don't get damage effect. We're just gonna make it so he loses health and makes a sound. Whoopsies. Now we're going to make it so when he hits the food and he makes a sound. So when I touch hitbox, where's hitbox? Where is it now? Oh, there we go. Whenever I touch hitbox, when I touch hitbox and costume. And costume number equals 1. Costume number equals 1. So where's operators? And then equals 1. Play sound. We're just gonna grab a sound from here. Effects. Coin. Yeah, it's good. Now we're gonna make it so when he hits play sound, start sound, coin. So now, yeah, when he collects the worms, nothing happens. But when he collects the apples, what? Maybe I should put it in here. That'd be more efficient. Maybe that will work. Oh, yeah. Let's just put that back there. I don't get it. I don't know what's wrong. Wait, I think I get it. Hitbox. And, oh, maybe it's play sound, start sound, coin. Yeah. It's still not playing anything. It's not making any noise. That's weird. Should be making noise. What is wrong here? That is not supposed to be happening. Wait. I'll just sit here and try to think about why it's not working. Just wait a little bit. Why? I don't. Why? B. 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 Alright, I just remembered what's wrong. Let's see. No. It won't let us collect the worms because they're not costume number 1, but... Yep, there we go. It's working. Now we're going to make the noise for when they hit the worms. So it's going to be like a crush noise. If costume 2. There we go. And I'm going to delete this. And we're going to play crush sound. So let's just go get the crush sound. You can put in your own sound effects. So there we go. It's going to make that noise. Now... See? Now what happened to the music? I thought the music would be playing. What the hell happened to the music? Oh yeah, we never put music in. I'm sorry. I thought we put music in. Well, we're going to put music in so it's not so bland. Now we're going to go into here and get play sound. Now I'm going to import another sound called... That's music. So we're just going to go to loops right here. And we're going to go get dance chill. That looks good. Now, dance chill. When green flag clicked. Forever. Play that. There we go. It's playing. Click these. The background music, that's a little too loud. We're gonna make it so we're gonna put it in hitbox. So when it, and then we're gonna delete this. When you put it in hitbox, it's so it doesn't make all the other sound effects quite as well. Now we're gonna set volume to 50. Why isn't it? Why is nothing playing? It's supposed to be playing. Is 50 too low? Maybe 70. Yeah, I can't hear it. What's going on? It's supposed to be... Oh, because chill out isn't a noise on here. We gotta add it in. I'm so stupid sometimes. Loops. Still too loud. I'm gonna change the volume down. Back to 50. Like I said before. 50. There we go. Bro, it's still too loud. 20 will be good. 20. There we go. Yeah, so when you click the worms, it makes noise. There we go. It's all good. Now we're gonna make a quick... before I end the video, we're gonna make a little quick scoring system. So when he collects the food, he gets a score. Alright. So now we're gonna go to score. Make a score for this, score for all sprites. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go to food. So when he clicks this specific one, change score up by 1. And when green flag clicked, set score to 0. Now when he clicks a red apple, the score goes up. And when you collect these, it makes the score go up. There. The score is not going up. We should probably hide player walk. Player walk is annoying. We don't need it anymore. There we go. Player walk. Now we're gonna make this big. As you know, we're gonna keep it like this. Now that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna make the next one like in 2 days. Now, have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the game so far. Bye-bye.